Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have two columns, the values to check and an area for results. First, make the lookup column the leftmost column of a defined table or range. Then in the result column enter equals Vlookup, cell, table 1, false. You want exact matches, so use false or 0. Once done, wrap that formula with if and isna to produce a readable result. Make sure to lock the table range with $ so copying works reliably across rows. Next, replace the basic Vlookup with if, isna, Vlookup, A2 $B $2 $B $100 false, unique, duplicate. You do this because Vlookup returns hash and slash a when no match exists, and isna lets you convert that into a label. Once done, copy the anchored formula down the column. If you only want a flag second and subsequent instances, use countif $2 A2. A2, 1 inside an if to mark repeats after the first occurrence. This prevents double flagging. Finish by converting the formula column to values if you need to sort or filter without breaking references. If results are wrong, check for trailing spaces or mismatched types. Vlookup treats 123 versus 123 as different. Make sure to normalize data with trim for spaces and value or text to align types. A key troubleshooting tip: when Vlookup returns unexpected matches, confirm the table's leftmost column true.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.